Bread.
All right, we're gonna make some crazy bread here. And what we got is some pizza crust. You can make your own or just buy a little package. And we're trying to take the pizza crust out of there and put it into the pan. Ready?
It is. Now smash it.
All the bread flattened out. Next, we're gonna butter it up. A tiny little block of butter, about 1 inch by 1 inch. We're gonna microwave it for about 15 seconds, and we're gonna. We've got our butter tray over here, and warmed it up for about 30 seconds. We're gonna add a little bit of Italian seasoning, and if you don't like Italian seasoning, you don't have to use it. But I like it. Kids like it. All right, you do the garlic. Ready? And then add some garlic. Hold on. All right. If you like garlic a lot, put a lot. If you don't, just put a little bit. I like to put about maybe a teaspoon, I'd say. But you can pretty much estimate. Next, you got your seasonings in there. You're gonna mix it all up. Mix it up.
How do you do?
I know, mix it. Mix it up. And I like to add a little bit of salt, just a pinch.
Ready.
Dropping some salt in now. There you go, you see the salt? All right. Next, we're gonna brush it. Let me help you mix it a little better. You can just smell that. It smells delicious. All right, go ahead and paint it on there. Paint it on the crazy bread right here. Brush it all over. Parmesan cheese. We're gonna put Parmesan cheese on one of them, and the other one's gonna get real cheese. So let's do that. Sprinkle your Parmesan cheese. How much is too much? You could never have enough.
That's a real cheese.
So it is cheese, but it's Parmesan shredded cheese. The other one we're gonna put real cheese on it, because we're showing everybody how to make it. All right. Next we got some mozzarella cheese, and we're gonna grate it right on top of it. Fresh mozzarella cheese. It doesn't taste better than that. And let me tell you guys, this stuff smells great. How does it smell, Googles?
No.
You wanna eat it right now? He kept trying to take bites out of this right now. You wanna eat some cheese? Catch it. Catch it and eat it. You like cheese. All right. I got the oven baking at 400.
You.
And it's preheated. And we're gonna pop it in, just keep an eye on it. You probably got about 10 to 15 minutes before this is ready to eat. We got a pizza cutter, and we're going to slice it up in pieces and eat it. All right, she's in the oven. Let's see what happens. Oh, look at that. I think it's ready. Let's get it out and see what it tastes like. What do you think? You think it looks good?
Yeah.
Okay. So for about $3, you can make homemade crazy bread, and they're ready to try it for their first time. Go ahead and try it, guys.
Nah, I should go
A second time, but we never made it this good. We always use pita bread. Mila's eating a cheese one, Brandon's eating a cheese one, and Ava, also eating a cheese one. What do you guys think?
Good one.
How good is it?
Good, good, good.
1 to 10? A 10 or a 1?
99.40.
Woo! Okay, who wants to try a Parmesan bite?
I think 200.
Try the Parmesan bite. Which one do you like better? Let people know what you guys think. She has to have another one before she could tell us what she thinks. What do you think?
The same.
The same?
Yeah.
How delicious is it? Would you want to eat it every day?
Yeah.
All right, tell everybody thank you for watching. Go make some crazy bread.
No.
What?
We have to make a wheat in it.
Oh, go try it. What do you think? It's good? All right. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up. See you later.